Boost your storytelling and jokes with tone and expression. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting episode of our English language learning series. Today, we're focusing on an essential yet often overlooked aspect of storytelling and jokes: tone and expression. Knowing the right tone and expression to use can truly bring your stories and jokes to life and keep your listeners hooked. Tone and expression refer to the manner or attitude conveyed through your speech. It's not just about what you say, but also how you say it. Tone can reveal emotions, intentions, and attitudes, while expression adds a layer of emotional and visual context to your words. It's like the spice in your storytelling and joke-telling recipe. It makes everything more flavorful and engaging. Ever wondered why some people can make even the simplest stories sound fascinating or jokes sound funnier? It's all about their use of tone and expression. A storyteller's tone can build suspense, express joy, or evoke sadness. In jokes, tone and expression can deliver the punchline with the right amount of surprise, sarcasm, or irony. It's a powerful tool to control your audience's reactions and keep them connected to your narrative. The tone and expression you use can make or break your storytelling or joke-telling experience. Choosing the right tone can help set the mood, create anticipation, and make your listeners feel the emotions that you're trying to convey. Meanwhile, effective expressions can amplify your message, making it more engaging, relatable, and memorable. When you master tone and expression, you don't just communicate effectively, you also become a better storyteller and entertainer. You are able to navigate the emotional landscape of your narrative and joke, leading your listeners along a journey they won't forget. Mastering tone and expression in English is not just about language proficiency. It's also about being an effective communicator, an engaging storyteller, and a humorous joke teller. We hope you've learned valuable insights from today's video. Keep practicing, keep experimenting, and keep having fun with English. See you in the next video. Remember, communication is an art, and like any art, it takes time to master. So keep at it, and soon enough, you'll see your storytelling and joke-telling skills improve. Until next time, happy learning!